Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook fondant potatoes. First, select large, starchy potatoes such as russets or Yukon Golds as they hold their shape well. Peel them and then trim them into uniform 2-inch tall cylinders. It's crucial that the tops and bottoms are flat, ensuring they cook evenly and stand beautifully on the plate. This careful preparation sets the stage for perfectly tender and flavorful results. Next, we'll sear these potato cylinders to develop a beautiful golden crust. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, like a cast iron skillet, with about 1 tablespoon of high smoke point oil over medium-high heat. Place the potatoes flat side down and sear for 3 to 4 minutes per side until they are deeply golden brown. Now, add 2 cloves of crushed garlic and a sprig of fresh thyme or rosemary to infuse incredible flavor. Once seared, it's time to braise them to tender perfection. Pour in about 1 cup of chicken or vegetable stock, ensuring it comes up about 1/3 of the way up the sides of the potatoes. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the pan. Reduce the heat to a gentle simmer, cover the pan, and let them cook for 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are wonderfully fork tender. Finally, let's finish these exquisite fondant potatoes. Carefully remove the tender potatoes from the pan. Increase the heat and reduce the remaining cooking liquid until it forms a rich, glossy glaze. Spoon this flavorful glaze generously over each potato before serving. For an extra touch of crispiness, you can briefly finish them under a broiler for 2 to 3 minutes. Enjoy your perfectly cooked fondant potatoes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.